Hello everyone.
Hi,
Our
our
project
project
is
is applying data mining and business intelligence process to analyze bank direct marketing. And our team members are Murali Krishna KB and Yogesh Potiganti.
Our main aim is to
Uh,
analyze the
like we have a
developed
problem
statement
statement here,
data
like
and build a model to find
our
the
aim is
important
to
characters. Our main
analyze
aim is to analyze the
direct
direct
marketing
marketing
data and build a model
and
to
build a
find the
model to
important
find the important
characteristics in the
characteristics in the
data,
data collected,
which can
which can increase
campaign
the campaign
efficiency
efficiency by reducing
for
the
the
number of
bank, and
contacts a
also
bank
to
official
reduce the
has to
number of
make
contacts to make,
to convince the
which
customer to
also
sign up
reduces
for
the
their
human
term
effort
deposit
and
through various
saves a lot of
communication means like
money to the
various
bank.
details about the customers have been collected through direct marketing through the
Data
different
understanding,
communication
like here we
types
have
like
various
mobile
details
phone
about
through
the
customer
customer,
mobile phones or cellular
like
phones
customer's
and
age,
through the campaign
education, marital
various
status,
informations like
loan
customer's age,
information,
education, marital
and job,
status, loan information,
communication type,
whether
and
the customer
etc.
had
Uh,
taken any housing loan or the personal loan from the bank or job type,
like we have
qualification
also
type,
made some changes to the
how
data,
the customer was contacted,
so that
time of the
it
campaign,
will be easy to the
then
data
number of previous
model building.
contacts or the time of
And
the
here's
campaign,
like we
we have
have a
made a
data
day of
like
the month
age,
for the
it is a continuous
month in
variable,
which the
and
customer was
job, like
contacted,
what type of
model
job a
building,
customer
and
has,
also
and
one of the
marital
necessary
status,
changes were
education,
made to the
housing,
collected
whether
data
a
to make
customer
it more
has a
suitable
housing
for
loan
the
or not.
you can see the various
And
variable problems,
the default is like whether a customer has a
in
paid
data
in
preparation
default,
process.
and the
We have
balance
made
is
some
customer's average
changes
yearly
like
balance. Contact is
removing the
like
missing values and
type
other
contact communication type, like
categorical variables,
whether a
other
customer has
changes
been
for the
contacted
collected
through
data. Here
cellular
you can
or
see the
mobile phone,
variable
etc.
names and data types
And the
of
day is
different
like
variables we have used.
last
Initial
day
data
of
we
the
have
month,
collected in this
and
project. Categorical
also like
variables we have the
duration is
age,
like
job, marital
last contact
status. In order
duration, like how
for
much
education to make it more convenient
time the
for analyzing
customer
and
has spent
default, this variable is
in the last
tells us
campaign
information about whether the customer
when he
has
has been
credit in
contacted.
default or not.
And
Then average yearly balance,
like we have process
contact
data,
communication
like
type,
the values of the categorical
number of
variable
contacts
which we have
performed for
collected
this
were most in
customer
the
in this
textual
campaign
format.
is
So
what
we have
the variable
changed
campaign
some of
is,
them to the
and
numbers
the target
to,
variable
so that it
y,
will be easy to analyze,
which shows us whether
and
the client has
we
subscribed to
can
the
use
term
them
deposit
in
or not.
any software. We
And
also removed some missing values from the
coming
data
to the changes we have made to the
to make the
collected
model more
data, here you can see
reliable.
that
And we have
in
used
the
the
initial
IBM
data
SPSS
the category
modular
variables were in the textual
1.14.2
form,
to
but we have
build
changed those
to our
textual
project.
data into the
Like
numerical
we have total
values
number of
for our
variables 17,
convenience, because
and
it gives more
we
convenience
have
while
16 input
analyzing and
variables and one
for some
target
software
variable, that is whether a
capability.
customer
And we have also
will
removed
accept
some
the
missing
term
values
deposit
from the
or
collected
not.
data.
And we have totally built three
The next process is model building,
models,
and
logistic
to build
classification
models we have
models,
used
logistic
IBM
regression,
SPSS
child
modeler
and
tool.
Bayesian network.
Then we have totally
We have
17
partitioned data into
variables
like a
available,
training,
and of
which is
which
validation
16 we
data,
have
it is
used 16 of those
70%,
variables as
and
inputs,
testing,
and one is
we have
target variable.
given
And the
selected
models we
30%
built
of the data.
in this project were logistic
We have
regression, child model,
we
and
have built the
Bayesian network
model,
model.
and
Of this we have only used
first
logistic
we
regression and
got the
child because they are
area
giving
under the
better
curve,
results than
and
the
overall
Bayesian
accuracy for
network.
the models,
And
logistic
we have
regression and child
we have
are
divided the data as 70%
89% of
of
area under
training
curve
data
for
and the
logistic
remaining
regression, and for
30% for
child
testing.
86%, and overall accuracy for logistic regression and child are 89 and 87%
Here you can
respectively.
see the
Then
different values
we
for
have
the different
removed
models we
some
have built.
variables
The
such
first
as
table
age, day, and
shows the
contact,
area under
because
curve and the
they have
overall
very
accuracy
less
values for the
predictor
logistic
importance,
regression and the
and
child
they are not
models,
contributing
where
much
we
to
have
our
used
model.
all the input
Um,
variables. And in the
After that,
second,
we got
actually
the
later
results
we
like
removed the some
almost
variables like
same
age, day, and
accuracy
contact,
and area under curve.
because they
Uh,
have very less predictor
this is a
importance.
overall
And
model,
you can see
which
the
shows
area
clearly
under curve
like
and
we
the
have
overall
child and
accuracy
also the
values
logistic
for
regression
the same models
model.
once these variables were removed in
Then
the table 2. And you
like
can
we
notice
have
that
a
there
predictor
isn't
importance
much
graph for
difference in
logistic
these
regression
values
model
from table
here,
1 and table 2,
which
which shows
shows
that
that
these
duration has the
variables
highest predictor
are not
importance,
affecting the
and
model
then
at all.
followed by P outcome, and the balance
And this
has
is
the
our
least
overall model.
predictor importance.
The,
Here is the
this is the
coincidence
predicted
matrix for
importance
the
graph for the logistic regression model.
from the
And
logistic
here you
regression
can
model.
notice
Like we
that
have
the
analyzed
duration, the variable duration has
the
the highest
accuracy and
predicted
various
importance,
factors
followed
of
by
the
P outcome.
model,
Here P outcome is the
model
result from the previous campaign,
validation
where
for
the
the training data.
previous marketing
For
campaign.
example, like
And
overall accuracy
balance
for
has the
training data,
lowest
we
predicted
got it here
importance in
as
logistic regression model.
90.49%,
And
and then
This is the analysis of our
we did
logistic regression model.
sensitivity and
Here
specificity
you can see
analysis.
the accuracy rate of 90
Like sensitivity analysis,
90% was
we got
achieved
it's a
through
true
logistic
positive,
regression
like
model.
how many like how the model has been predicted
Coming to the coincidence
correctly
matrix
that
analysis, you
customer
can,
or
we
customers are
calculated the
going to
sensitivity
accept the term deposit.
percentage and
It's
specificity
like 32% we
percentages.
got, and the specificity is like how many
From this values, you can see
how
that the
many
model is
customer,
very
like
reliable.
how many
Then error
customers are
analysis,
not
we have
going
two
to
types of
accept the
errors
offer.
as we know.
Here we got it as
So
97%.
the type,
Like for
here
mostly for
we cannot
banking,
take a
like
look at the
for
type
direct
2 error.
marketing campaign, the
The predicted
specificity
customer
plays
will
a
not accept the
more
offer of
important
term
role,
deposit, but
because
actually the customer is
like
ready to accept the term deposit. Here you can
this
see
reduces
that
the
the
number of, as we already talked,
actual, from the
that
actual class
we need
values,
to reduce number of
there are
contacts,
243
and
customers who are
also
willing to accept
uh, the
the term
efficiency of
deposits,
the
but our model
campaign.
predicted
So by
243 customers
our
as
model
they
predicts
are
that
not
how many
willing to
customers
accept the
won't
customer.
accept the
So
offer. So
that
with that we
is,
can
it's a
easily
very high value
remove
of
the
type 2
persons
error
who are not
considering the
going
facts.
to
But
accept the
in
offer,
order to
and we can concentrate more
decrease
on
the
the
type 2 error
persons who
without
are
affecting the
willing to
type
take
1
an
error,
offer. And we
the
have
only way
two
is
types of
to
error,
increase
type
the
1 and
sample
type 2.
size. So we
Type
need to
1
collect
is
more
like
data for
predicting
this.
the customer
This is the predicted importance graph for the
uh,
Chait 1 model.
who will take the
Even in
term
this
deposit,
model,
but
the
actually he
variable
won't take the
duration has the
offer.
highest predicted
Whereas the
importance,
type 2 error is like predicting the
followed by P
customer who
outcome,
will not
similar to
accept
the
the offer,
logistic
but
regression
actually the
model.
customer
And
accepts the
here the
offer.
variable
So
combine
this
has
is the
the
major
lowest
concern for our
importance.
model, because
So
we are
there isn't much difference from the previous
ignoring some
models.
customers who are actually willing to take
And
the
here,
term
here
deposit offer.
you
So
can
we
see the
need to
analysis
reduce
of
type
the
2 error
duration
for our model.
variable using the Chait
In
model.
order to reduce the
Here you
type 2
can
error
see
without
the longer
affecting the
the
type 1
duration is,
error,
the more
the
chances of
only way
customer
is to
accepting the
increase
term
the
deposit proposal.
overall sample
So you
size
can
of the
see as
data.
the
So we need to
duration
collect more
decreases,
data
the acceptance
for
rate for
our
the term
further
deposits is also
analysis
increasing.
and model building. Like
So
we have
it would
here
be
Chade
so
model,
so
which
in the
shows the
next
predictive
campaigns,
importance
I mean
of like a
the bank
duration as
officials can
highest
focus
predictive
more
importance, and
on
which
spending
is
some more
almost
time
similar
with
to
the
the
customers
logistic regression
make
model.
to convince them to accept the
Then
long
here
term
I've
deposits
explained clearly,
offers.
like we have explained clearly
Um,
the duration
this is the
analysis
analysis of age
from the
variable
chain
using the
model.
Bayesian network
Here it
model.
shows clearly, like
Here you
for
can
the
see
maximum
there
number
isn't
of
much difference in the
uh,
for every age group
duration,
for
like
the
more than
acceptance rate and
582
the
seconds,
rejectance
like
rate reject rate are very similar.
percentage of
For age
accepting
group less than
the
32 years, we
term
can
deposit
see
offer by customer is more,
26%
such
of
as
people are
43%.
accepting, whereas
As the
23%
duration
are rejecting,
decreases,
and
then
these
the
values are same for
percentage
almost
of
all the age
person
groups.
accepting the
So
offer is also decreasing.
that's the reason
uh,
why we have removed the.
so we can say that if
Coming back to
the
this slide,
customer
here you can
has
see we
been
have removed
contacted
the
for more
variables
number
age,
of
day, and
duration
contact
during
because
the
they all have very
campaign,
less predicted
then he is
importance.
like there is more
And similarly,
probability that the
we
person
have
is
removed
willing to take the
day
term
and
deposit
contact on
offer.
this basis. So
Then like Bayesian
thank you.
network, which has a little bit less accuracy compared to logistic regression and child model, but it clearly shows the individual variable analysis. Like you can see here, like we have ignored the age in our model because it has very less predictive importance, and Bayesian network clearly shows why it is less predictive importance. Like we have here for we have the probability that customer is willing to take the offer as yes, and no as customer won't take the offer. So as the age group increases from 30 less than 32 to 32 to 32 to 46.2, the probability of yes increased from 0.26 to 0.43. Then again, as the age group increases, the probability of customer accepting to take the offer decreased. In the same way, the probability that customer says no to the offer has also been increased from 30 less than 32 to 32 to 46.2, and then again it decreased. Uh, 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 so as the age group increases, the probability that customer is willing to take an offer is increased, but at the same time probability that the customer won't take the offer is also decreased. That he will say no also increase. So we cannot say that Based on the age, we can't predict that customer is going to take offer or is not going to take, so we have ignored the age previously. Thank you.